Meet Paolownia, the world's fastest-growing tree, discovered by German botanists. Known for its remarkable growth rate, this tree can reach over 6 meters annually, making it a botanical marvel. Paolownia is not only fast-growing but also fireproof. Its wood is lightweight yet incredibly durable, ideal for constructing warships and crafting musical instruments. The tree thrives in diverse soil and climate conditions, requiring minimal moisture, making it adaptable worldwide. Paolownia is environmentally friendly, contributing to oxygen production and addressing oxygen deficiencies. Its leaves are rich in vitamins, enhancing soil quality. The tree's ability to grow in various climates makes it a sustainable choice for reforestation efforts. In Germany, Paolownia forests are cultivated for commercial purposes, particularly in furniture making and shipbuilding. The wood is expensive, not free, and aesthetically pleasing, providing economic value while maintaining ecological balance. In spring, Paolownia produces stunning purple flowers with a captivating fragrance. These flowers transform into seed pods, allowing the tree to spread its seeds widely. The best honey is harvested from this tree, adding to its ecological significance. Paolownia is an ideal choice for planting in forests, offering environmental, economic, and aesthetic benefits. Its unique characteristics make it a valuable addition to any landscape.